Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. This video will show you how to allow signers to create a free BoldSign account after signing a document using BoldSign. You can sign a document on BoldSign without an account, but having one improves document management. Therefore, we encourage signers without an existing account to create one right after signing their first document. Allowing recipients to create a BoldSign account after signing will enable them to access all their signed documents in one place. Let's consider a scenario where an HR manager in a company oversees the onboarding process for a new employee. The HR manager needs to send multiple employee-related documents to the new employee for signature. For this purpose, it would be helpful for the new employee to have an account in the application to access and sign all the documents easily. The HR manager must enable the new employee to create a free BoldSign account after signing the first document through email. Let me demonstrate how the HR manager would do that. First, I access the BoldSign application page and expand the settings menu. I choose Business Profile to navigate to the Business Profile page. Only the account administrator can access the Business Profile settings. Next, I activate the Allow recipients to create a free BoldSign account after signing option. I then save my changes. Whenever the HR manager sends documents to employees without BoldSign accounts, they will be redirected to the BoldSign sign-up information page after signing the document in the initial email. Now the HR manager needs to send the onboarding form to the new employee for signing. As the HR manager, I click the Create New button and select Create New Document. This takes me to the Prepare Document page, where I upload the employee onboarding form in the Add Files section. After that, I enter the employee's details in the Add Recipient section. I move forward by clicking Next, which takes me to the Configure Fields page. This is where I set up the form fields. I drag and drop the signature and date sign fields. I check my changes once and send the document out for signature. Now let's switch to the signer's side and see how the Allow recipients to create a free BoldSign account after signing feature works. When I click the Review and Sign button in the Signature Request email, I am navigated to the signing page. The Date Signed field is automatically populated. I review the onboarding form and add the signature. I click the Complete Signing button to complete the signing process. The BoldSign sign-up prompt then displays. The signer can proceed to create a BoldSign account by clicking the Create Account button. That summarizes how to allow signers to create a free BoldSign account after signing a document. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.